Today we're walking through WhatsApp QR codes and QRStuff. QRStuff lets you create professional QR codes, customize how they look, and manage them from your account when you're signed in. A WhatsApp QR code is a direct bridge to your chat. It lets people message you or your business instantly with a single scan, so they don't have to mess around with saving your phone number or typing it in manually. Head to QRStuff.com and open the QR code generator after logging into your account. In the list of data types, select WhatsApp. Next, simply select your country code and enter your WhatsApp number. Then enter the message you would like to be pre-filled in the text box when a customer scans your QR code. Once entered, head to the styling section of your QR code. Here, you can personalize the code's appearance by adjusting its shape, setting custom colors and gradients for the modules and corner eyes. You can even upload your company logo or a center text overlay. You can also set a background and foreground image for added visual flair. Next, move to the Setup tab to configure the advanced tracking and management settings. Give your QR code a clear name, set the desired DPI or resolution for high-quality printing, and enable features like password protection, Slack notifications for new scans, pixel settings, pause functionality, and scan limits. Click the Download button to save finished WhatsApp QR code in your preferred format. And that's how easy it is to create a lead capturing WhatsApp QR code using QRStuff.com. Start tracking, editing, and optimizing your campaigns today.